Today on the patio, we're doing some turkey, but not just any turkey. We left the skin on and we dry brine the heck out of it. We're gonna go directly over the coals so we end up with some juicy, crispy, delicious turkey breast. Let's get into it. What's up, barbecue fans? Welcome back to Patio. My name's Jake. You're watching Mama Cook. Today on the channel is all about turkey. We've got ourselves here about a 5-pound breast. You'll notice the skin is on. And at this point, this guy has dry brined for 42 hours. So it's been in the fridge a long time. A couple days ago, what I did, we took it out of the package and tried to pull the skin to cover the bird properly. Then we took some salt and pepper. I made it about 1.5 parts pepper to 1 part diamond kosher salt. We gave a nice coating on the bottom. Then I used some garlic. Now my powdered garlic is actually more of a granular. It says powdered, but it is actually more granular. So I put a coating of that on there. We flipped it over. We did a nice coating on the top and it's looking pretty dry. Skin's definitely adhered here. It's not quite covering her whole breast there, but I think we'll be okay. Our Kamado Joe is sitting about 310. So it's heat soaked and we've got no heat deflectors. We're going directly over the coal. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to crisp up the skin, because traditionally when you do turkey breast on a smoker, you've got to rip off that skin because the skin goes rubbery. But I think because I dry brined it for so long and because we're gonna go directly over the coals and the heat, I think we're gonna be okay. I haven't done it before, so we're doing this together for the first time. I have it at 310 because I don't wanna get too hot because I'll burn my skin too early and then I'll have an outside burnt when the inside is not ready. So we're trying to do it a lower temperature so I can keep it over direct heat for a longer period of time and not cook it too quick because we want the inside to finish at the same time as the outside. So what we'll do is we'll put this on the Joe. You can see we've got a nice hot little area there. We'll take our breast and we're gonna throw it right directly over those coals. Just a little bit more so we're perfectly centered over the heat there. I'm gonna bunch it up and then we're gonna let the Kamado Joe do its thing. So as you can see, we have a large bed of coals there that's all ashed over. I wanted to make it a little bit wider so that we could get all of that skin with some heat firing directly at it. I think it's probably gonna take a couple hours. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check it in an hour, and then if we need to flip it over sooner than I think, I'll bring you back to show you that, but I'm gonna try and keep it over the coals as long as I can. So I was out front working on some of my landscape lighting, and I noticed that we had a fair amount of smoke coming out of here and it smelled delicious. So I thought to myself, it's only been 45 minutes, but let me double check it. And thankfully it was the right time to check it. So there's how we look. Whoa, don't lose any of that juice. We've got a good crusty skin on top of there. Some great color, but definitely if we went a little too much further, it would have been too much. So I think it came out about perfect. Just get a quick temperature reading here, 124. So we don't have long to go. It's looking delicious. So if I zoom in real close, you can see nice color, nice crispiness. Let's close it up. And probably in the neighborhood of 15 minutes to 30 minutes, it'll be done. So it's been about 30 minutes now, and just like typical backyard barbecue when you try something for the first time, it built up my confidence and it crushed it. I'll explain more later, but for now, we gotta get our turkey off here. Her skin is perfect. I'm excited to try it. I can't Can't wait to try it. I think it's gonna be packed with flavor. I'm excited to try it, but we need to let it cool down for about 15 minutes and then we'll slice into it. It's been almost 20 minutes. Let's pull this guy off here. Now, I did not wrap it with foil or anything like that. I wanted to make sure that we kept the skin crunchy. Obviously nice and crispy. Look at the moisture on that sucker. Wow. Sometimes I even amaze myself. Let's just try a little piece here. Nice little bit of skin on the outside there. So I'll try a little piece of the skin by itself. That's good. It really is good. It's got nice flavor to it, nice crunch. Super happy with that. Wow. This is going to make some good sandwiches. Side note, if you don't have a slicer, get yourself a slicer. Last week I made a different kind of turkey and I sliced that super thin and then back sealed it into like half pounds. It'll last for a while in the fridge, and there is nothing like fresh sliced turkey. Don't go to the grocery store anymore. Now, I did say barbecue built up my confidence and crush it, so I'm curious about this end. I'll tell you what happened. We had coals all over this, and right before I went to pull it off, I realized that the front section here is a lot thicker and it wasn't done yet. This was already at 170. And I was like, uh-oh. So what I ended up doing is I took some heavy duty aluminum foil and I layered it like 6 times. And I just put it over this last section here to try and protect it. And the other thing that I did is I moved the breast away from the center of the grill where all the coals were, so that just this side was under over top of the coals, and then we had aluminum foil protecting us. So let me just slice in the back of this and see what happens. I'm curious to see. Oh, hello. What am I worried about? Juice is pouring out the end of that. It's dripping. Maybe I stuck my thermometer in a little too far and it wasn't as high as I thought. I think we nailed it. I take it all back. Although barbecue will build up your confidence and crush it. I've had it happen many times. Anyhow, I think that I nailed this cook. Pretty happy. Give myself a little pat on the back. It is holiday season. Not that you only can have turkey during holiday season, but it's easiest to find it, especially in a big breast like this. Look, if you can't find it locally, go to your butcher and ask them to order it. From now until the end of the year, you can probably get it pretty easily. There's lots of places to find it online, but I guarantee you, if you do a little digging, you'll find some turkey breast around like this, but it's just easier to find at this time of holidays. If you're looking for a twist on a turkey breast, I got you covered. Before you run away, real quick, I'm doing a contest. Once I reach 25,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a big giveaway. All you gotta do to enter is go to my website, ramencook.com, scroll down, sign up to the newsletter, and you'll be entered. I'll do a random drawing. I'll let you know some more details as it gets closer, but let me tell you, I won't disappoint you. So sign up for that. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, do so below. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you soon.